I've invested in real estate for over 40 years, and I've been through several economic and market cycles. And I've learned a few things over this time. Number one, I don't believe I or anyone else can predict the future. Two, no matter how good or bad the current market is, don't get too happy or worry too much. The market will change. Don't wait to buy real estate and then wait. Let time, inflation, and population growth slowly and steadily win the day for you. Be prudent, use leverage properly, and be sufficiently capitalized, and over time you will win. Hi, I'm Arn Cinadella with Spark Investment Group, and I'd like to share my thoughts today on the current state of the multifamily market. At the present time, there are two primary unusual factors at work in the market today. One, of course, is COVID, and the other is historically low interest rates. Many experts predicted COVID would severely hurt multifamily rents and values. This hasn't happened. Rents and collections may have dropped a little bit, but by and large, multifamily has been resilient and solid. Multifamily values are at an all-time high, or to say it another way, cap rates are at a historic low. Some folks believe we're at a peak, a dangerous bubble, and a crash is inevitable. Others don't agree. Is the present period of time an anomaly or the new normal? Everyone has an opinion. The wonderful thing about investing is that investors evaluate the market, the economy, and make decisions for themselves. Investors need to decide what to do with their hard-earned capital. Buy, sell, refinance. The great thing about all this is these questions, or more specifically the answers to these questions, are not made in a theoretical vacuum, but rather in the real world. At the risk of being crude, investors have to put their money where their mouth is and live with the results. The current debate can be broken down as follows. One school of thought says rates are at an all-time low, massive government borrowing will lead to inflation, and as a result, interest rates and therefore cap rates will need to increase, which will have a negative impact on multifamily values. So don't buy now, perhaps sell at all-time high values, wait for the correction, and then pounce. May be right. The other school of thought says interest rates are currently negative in Europe, and therefore interest rates and cap rates in America still have some room to drop. And if inflation does come, rents will surely increase, which will lead to higher net operating incomes and therefore higher values. So their advice is buy now, lock in cheap long-term debt, and wait for inflation and higher rents to come. Which school of thought is right? The truth is, I don't know. And the truth is, for me, it doesn't really matter. I never believed I could time or predict the market or the economy. I haven't in the past, and that's not about to change now. I will continue to invest, buy and sell real estate based on the best data and information available to me. I will hold all of my current assets unless I need the equity from an existing asset to purchase an even better opportunity. I will continue to invest cash in new acquisitions if the deal makes sense today, if the numbers make sense today, and if I have rational, logical reasons to have optimism about the location and the property's future. At that point, life happens, much of it out of my control. So I can't worry about that. I just adjust to every changing circumstance and make the best decisions I can on the issues I can control. I can't do any more than that. At Spark Investment Group, we continually study the market and current trends within the industry. We network with other investors all across the nation, and we continue to look for good opportunities for our investors. We believe diversification is a great way to minimize risk while maintaining returns. If you're interested in real estate investing, reach out to us and let us have a chat and determine your investing goals and risk tolerance levels. From there, we will locate suitable properties and help you develop a real estate portfolio built to withstand whatever life throws at us, built to create income and cash flow for the long term. I'm Arn Cinedella at Spark Investment Group. Thanks for watching. I look forward to chatting with you in the future. Have a great day.